Hello there, this is Diatom Dave at Fun Science Cheltenham. We're brand new to Gloucestershire, offering science-themed birthday parties, after-school clubs, holiday clubs and workshops for youth groups all around the county. Our sessions support the national curriculum and are as fascinating as they are fun. Over 3 videos I'm going to show you 3 of our simple experiments, all to do with bubbles. Think of a glass of cola or lemonade. It's fizzy, right? It contains bubbles. Now those bubbles are bubbles of a gas called carbon dioxide. This is the same gas that you exhale when you breathe out. Nowadays they pump the carbon dioxide gas into the liquid to make it fizzy. However, in the olden days when lemonade was first invented, they mixed an acid and an alkali together. This is an acid, the lemon juice. This is an alkali, or bicarbonate of soda. This is my test tube. I'm going to take a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and I'm going to pop it into the test tube. I'm going to take my lemon juice, my acid, and I'm going to add it to my baking soda, my alkali, and watch what happens. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! The acid and the alkali have mixed together and created carbon dioxide gas, which has been trapped inside these bubbles. Thank you very much for watching this little experiment. If you want to try it at home, then look for some vinegar or some lemon juice and some bicarbonate of soda. You can also head to our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/FunSciCheltenham, and there you can find out about our Science at Home kits with even more experiments that you can try for yourself. We are also taking party bookings for this year and next. To find out more, head to our website fun-science.org.uk. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Diatom Dave at Fun Science Cheltenham. See you next time. It doesn't taste like lemonade.